Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to Share the Yarny Love giveaway update and coupons for ice yarns. So exciting, right? So all good news, all about yarn, short and sweet. I am extending the deadline for the Share the Yarny Love giveaway. I ordered a whole bunch of yarn. So this is the yarn. It has arrived. I packed it up on the weekend, and you'll basically be getting a mix, or if you're a winner, you'll be getting a mix of this yarn. So a 5-pack of yarn for the winner. So all the details from the giveaway are in the original giveaway video. I'll put a link to that in the cards up above, as well as in the description box down below. So go and watch that video and enter if you haven't already. Watch to the end so you know how to enter, because you have to qualify. So that is extended until September 28th. So you still have time to enter. If you know anyone who hasn't entered, go ahead and share it on social media. Get the word out there. The more chances to win, the better. And super excited about all of that. Now, Ice Yarns also emailed me, and they have great coupons going on right now until October 8th. It's meant to be, right? So the coupon codes for Ice Yarns are Hope 1, let me show you. Hope 1, you get $10 off if you order over $75. Hope 2, you get $25 off if you order over $150. Hope 3, you get $50 off if you order over $250. And Hope 4, you get $110 off on orders over $500, valid until October 8th. So I'll put a link to Ice Yarns in the description box down below, so go ahead and click on it and go and do your shopping. Now, the deal with it is with Ice Yarns coupon codes, this is for regularly priced yarn. It is not for yarn that is already on sale. So this is for full price yarns. If you go and load up a bunch of yarn in the clearance and $75 of clearance yarn, the code probably will not work. Just going from past experience. I may or may not have ordered a lot from Ice Yarns in the past. So that is up until October 8th that you can get a big discount off regular priced yarn. And I have a link to my favorite Ice Yarns in the description box down below. I will also put whatever colors I would suggest using from Ice Yarns to kind of go along with our giveaway packs of yarn if you want to get these colors over at Ice Yarns. So I will link that in the description box down below. And that's all I had for you. Just wanted to pop in super quick and share that good news. Giveaways extended, and there are coupon codes at Ice Yarns. So that's it for me. I'll see you tomorrow. The podcast tutorial this weekend. So excited. Live chat on Friday. Members chat on Monday. A lot is going on. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell beside that, so you don't miss out on any more awesome goodness just like this. Have a super great day. We'll see you in the next video, and stay hooked. I talked really fast, right? Boom. Do I even have to edit that? Maybe my breathing. Did I huff and puff? I could edit out the breathing. Okay, on to film the podcast.